Should not be sharing this with you, but knowledge is power, and with great power comes the ability to manipulate the weak-minded. Imagine having the power to influence anyone's decisions without them realizing it. From getting people to agree with you to making them trust you instantly. Today I'm revealing 10 dark psychology tricks so powerful they can make anyone think, feel, or act exactly how you want. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So use these ethically or be ready for the consequences. Trick 1. The yes ladder. The human brain loves consistency. If someone starts saying yes to small, harmless questions, they're far more likely to agree to bigger requests later. Example, salespeople ask, "Do you like saving money? Do you want the best deal? Shall I sign you up?" How to use. Start with micro agreements. Simple questions they can't refuse, then gradually build to your main ask. Psychology behind it. Based on Commitment Consistency Principle by Robert Cialdini. Trick 2. The Trojan horse compliment. Compliments lower someone's defenses, but the Trojan horse compliment hides a subtle suggestion. Example, "You're really confident. I bet you'd be amazing at leading this project." They feel good, then their brain links your request to their positive self-image. Psychology behind it uses labeling theory. People tend to act in ways consistent with labels they accept. Trick 3. The power of silence. After you make a statement or ask a question, pause. Humans are uncomfortable with silence and will often fill it by revealing more information or agreeing just to break the tension. Example, negotiation. "This is the best I can offer." Pause. The other person feels pressured to talk and often concedes. Psychology behind it exploits social discomfort and conversational norms. Trick 4. The double bind. Present two options, both of which lead to your desired outcome. Example, instead of asking, "Do you want to buy this?" say, "Do you want it delivered tomorrow or next week?" You bypass the yes-no choice entirely. Psychology behind it works through presupposition. The assumption is they've already agreed. Trick 5. Mirroring. Matching people like people who are like them. Subtly match their tone, posture, or pace of speech to build unconscious rapport. Example, if they lean in, you lean in. If they speak softly, you match that. Psychology behind it uses rapport-building techniques from NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. Trick 6. The fear of missing out. FOMO. Trigger scarcity increases desire. When something feels rare or time-limited, our brain overvalues it. Example, "Only 3 spots left," or "This deal expires tonight." Psychology behind it. Based on loss aversion. People fear losing more than they value gaining. Trick 7. Anchoring effect. The first number or fact you present sets the anchor for all future judgments. Example, price negotiation. Start high. Anything lower feels like a bargain. Psychology behind it works due to cognitive bias in decision-making. Trick 8. The foot in the door technique. Get someone to agree to a tiny request first, then ask for more later. Example, "Can you sign this petition? Can you also donate $5? Psychology behind it. Another form of commitment principle. Trick 9. Social proof manipulation. People look to others to decide how to behave. Show them that everyone else is doing what you want. Example, 9 out of 10 people choose this option. Psychology behind it relies on herd mentality. Trick 10. The illusion of choice. Let someone choose between options you pre-selected. They feel in control, but you still get your desired outcome. Example, "Do you want to start the project today or next Monday?" Both are yes. Psychology behind it gives a perceived autonomy while maintaining control. These tricks can make people trust you, like you, and even follow your lead. But here's the catch. If you misuse them, people will eventually sense it, and the trust will break forever. So use them to inspire and guide, not to manipulate for selfish gain. If you found these 10 tricks eye-opening, there's a lot more where that came from. Subscribe to MindHack Vault and hit the bell icon, because your mind is your most powerful weapon, and I'll show you how to master it before someone else does.